All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get down to business and start multiplying functions. So when we multiply functions, you see this type of notation here. What it's telling you to do is to multiply this by this. So let's just do it. We'll use FOIL for this one, and I'll show box for other problems. So we write 4x minus 5 in parentheses. And that's going to be multiplied by 4x plus 2. Now remember, FOIL is first, outer, inner, last. So what this is going to equal is 4x times 4x plus 4x times 2 plus negative 5 times 4x plus negative 5 times 2. So that's where the first, outer, inner, last comes from. First, outer, inner, last, FOIL. So now let's perform the indicated operation. Here, multiply the coefficients first. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so we have 16. X times x, remember that's x to the first times x to the first. The product rule of exponents says you add them. So that's x to the second, or x squared, 16x squared. Plus, now multiply the coefficients here, or at least the coefficient of x times a constant 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So 4x times 2 is 8x. Plus, here we've got negative 5 times 4x. So negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. So negative 5 times 4x is negative 20x. We'll put that in parentheses, negative 20x. Plus, negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. So we'll put that in parentheses, negative 10. Okay. All right. So we have common terms. These two terms are common. They can be combined together. So we'll do that. We have 16x squared. And now 8x minus 20x. Well, 20 minus 8 is 12. So 8 minus 20 is negative 12. So that would be 16x squared minus 12x minus 10. Okay. So what you would write is g times f of x equals this. And that is your answer. Okay. Okay, now we're going to take a look at number 6. And on number 6, we're going to, again, multiply the two functions together and then actually evaluate the function at negative 3. So we start, this time I'll use the box method. So we have a binomial and a binomial. So we're going to need like a square shape. Okay, like that. Okay, so up on top, we're going to write 3x plus 4. And down here, we're going to write 3x minus 5. Okay. Okay, now to do the box method, we just fill in the boxes. So 3x times 3x is going to be 9x squared. 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x. 3x times 4 is 12x. And negative 5 times positive 4 is negative 20. So we're going to write all this out. And just remember that, these terms here, you'll be able to combine them. But we're going to write it all out first. So we'll write with the largest exponent leading. So it's 9x squared. And then we'll just do minus 15x plus 12x minus 20. Okay, these middle two terms can be combined together. So this will equal 9x squared. Now negative 15x plus 12x is negative 3x minus 20. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to evaluate this at negative 3. So what we're going to say is g times h of negative 3 equals 9, open parentheses, negative 3 squared minus 3, open parentheses, negative 3 minus 20. Okay, so g times h of negative 3 is equal to 9. Now negative 3 squared is 9, so now it's 9 times 9. And then now you have negative 3 times negative 3, which is also 9. So plus 9 minus 20. Okay. Order of operations is really important here. You're multiplying these together first. So final step. G times h of negative 3 is equal to 81. Well, second to final step. And then 9 minus 20 is negative 11. So final step. G times h of negative 3 is equal to 81 minus 11. So 81 minus 11. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 1 is 7. So equals 70. Okay. So that's like what I would want to see in the answers boxed is I would want to see that you got here. Okay. And then that you were able to get here.